Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Yes, I really know that this hair is really so old, but I need to style it for you guys. I want to show you one of is it really one of my favorite? I want to show you guys some favorite styles that I used to put on this hair. Yes, the braids are really old, but you can always rock your braids in a very beautiful way, and I'm here just to show you guys how you can rock your hair, rock these hairstyles, and no one even notices that the hair is that old. Well, I plaited this hair around December. It is coming to 2.5 months right now, but it is still looking so great, so you can really see how I've been rocking my braids and everyone thinks they're really new. So I'm going to share with you a few favorite styles for your old braids. You can do this as well if you can. So let's get started. had for you today. Hope you really liked all the hairstyles that I did for you today. Please comment down below your favorite hairstyle, because I'll be really surprised to see if you really liked any of these hairstyles. And everyone who is new to this family, you're most welcome. We really appreciate all your love, all your support. You've really subscribed, you're most welcome. And if you haven't already, I don't know what you're still waiting for. You need to really subscribe to our channel, because we have amazing stuff that we have in store for you guys. So subscribe, like, and also share with your friends. We're here to share all these beautiful videos with you guys. See you in my next video.